Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky Man, whiskey and kicks.
All that, yes. The water's a good idea. There's a little heat there.
Yeah. So, I'll save those for a second.
I like petals.
The first joints I got, every now and again, you go looking for something, you find it, and then I went over to the GOAT and picked these up there. They were considerably cheaper. For some reason or another, people didn't want them somewhere else on Nike.com or anything.
They were cheaper than they were below retail.
They were below retail.
Wow.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
I've never bought anything from GOAT. I always say that when you talk about GOAT. Oh, yeah, I saw these joints.
Yeah.
I saw these. I don't understand why then. I wonder why people didn't rock with these.
I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't, but I'm appreciative that they didn't.
All right, these mean. They're black. The black is like tar, son, on the bottom.
Exactly.
These are nasty.
Exactly.
Ugh. All right, Air Max, of course, you know what I'm saying, from the OG, the Air Max god over here. We got the speckled, so the sole here, we got the speckled, the black with the specks in it and whatnot. All black midsole, and you get into the upper, and this all black going around. And this material is like, it feels like, it doesn't feel like tar. It doesn't feel like a rope. But it's almost like a rope, like the road.
It feels like the street. It feels like a rubberized leather of some sort, like asphalt. It's just.
What's the SE? What do they call Air Max 1 SE? Do you know? So then you get into this white, the white, right? So is this leather?
I can't figure out what it is.
Leather, though, is it?
It's not leather. It's not like rubber. I don't know what it is.
It is kind of almost rubberized, but it seems like the flexibility of it doesn't make it seem like it's rubber.
Right.
It's like, it's weird, but the white part, the check and the heel is the same material.
Yeah, and that's leather.
And
whatever this is that.
Then if that's leather.
This is the white
leather.
version
It's the
of
same
that.
thing. It's rough as well. You know what I'm saying? It's the white version of that. Perfectly stated. And they went with canvas on this. You got the regular netting or web, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
And they went with a canvas on that.
Yeah.
Man, take me back to days when I was a kid. When you get some canvas sneakers, your joints get dirty, son.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what I thought about with
those.
these. It's got to be it's got to be careful over the summer.
You gotta be careful with these. These so clean stepping because you get one little speck of coffee.
Yeah. That little crease right there can catch. Yeah. Which I don't crease very often.
No, you so many joints.
Yeah.
So and on the inside of the bubble is black as well. It just went really disgustingly mean with these. And then you get this the Tonga's canvas as well, or whatever that. Yeah. No, that's not necessarily canvas, right? It's the same material. That's a standard material for the Tonga right there. With the satin type of situation going around the edges of it, get a little shimmer there. And then you have this green. You have this green that's just like
right there.
That's
the whole reason why I bought these.
Green on that shit. Why not? Yeah.
Just because of that little bit of green to match some leather shorts I have. Serious. I got some green leather shorts.
Word. I know you said that on the show before. You had some leather shorts. They're green, huh?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's.
I got some green leather shorts and a black leather T-shirt.
The same green on the insole there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're basic, but they're mean though.
Yeah.
And it's all about what you're gonna do with them. You know what I'm saying? So we already know you're gonna go out here and show out for the people.
Yeah, man.
These are like. They don't know. I don't know if they have a season attached.
So this is the second pair that I've been drawn to that have. Remember the chili joints did the same thing as these, where this little whatever this is, the mid or the upper, and the sole are the same color. And it's something It's something about that look that I just like.
Yeah, that's mean, man.
Just like it. Yeah, man.
I could go for Like, I mean, these are tough.
Yeah.
I can go for like all the black like that, the midsole and part of the upper with black, more black, and then just another colored check with like a gum or like the blue translucent shit on the bottom. They can do a lot with those.
Because I will say, I think it's dope that they left the speckles just on the sole itself. Sometimes that'll come up on the midsole.
Yes, it does.
But to leave it just on the sole was a nice touch.
It is a nice touch because it doesn't necessarily break it up because it's on the bottom of the shoe, but it does break it up at the same time. It's like they could have just gone straight black with that too. So the speckles works.
Yeah.
Yeah, that and the green. What is this? Not quite a. Is it like an emerald almost? Or not olive?
Like, it's close to an olive.
What do they
I
call
don't think they give
Summit
it.
white, black. Nope. Black Summit.
They don't even acknowledge it.
They don't even,
They don't even acknowledge the green.
They don't acknowledge the green, yo.
They don't acknowledge the green.
You got the laces right. He's ready. He's ready to go.
Oh, these ready to go.
He's ready to go.
These will probably hit the street Friday night.
Yeah.
I may put a mixtape out Friday night.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
It's a little temperature check.
Yeah,
Black on the heel, the black Nike Air on the heel.
Yeah. And that's.
I like that.
Is that debossed
That
in
is
there?
debossed.
Yeah.
And it has a little shine to it.
Yep.
Yep. Great observation there. Yeah, man, these are tough. These are tough.
Yeah.
These are tough. I like them. I like. At first, I was like, oh, they could have put the green on the back, but no, the black on the back is better.
Yeah.
I like the black on the Nike sign. I mean, on
Yeah.
the back. I like that. Those work out. But those are crazy.
Yeah, man.
Those are crazy. The canvas is nuts. Okay. All right.
Rocky, keep talking about this team.